Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who reposted your Instagram post. If you want to know whether someone shared your post to their story or reposted your content, there are a few ways you can check it. Let's go step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and log into your account. Method 1. Check story reshares. Open your Instagram profile and go to the post you want to check. Tap on the post to open it, then tap the three dots in the top corner of the post. If someone shared your post to their story, you may see an option called View Story Reshares. Tap on it, and Instagram will show you the accounts that shared your post in their stories. This option only appears if someone has recently shared your post and their story is still active. Method 2. Check your notifications. Another way to see reposts is through notifications. Tap the heart icon at the bottom of the screen to open your notifications. If someone shares your post to their story or mentions you, Instagram may send you a notification. From there, you can open the notification and see who reposted your content. Method 3. Use Insights for professional accounts. If you have a creator or business account, you can check repost activity through Insights. Open your post and tap View Insights. Inside the Insights panel, you may see how many times your post was shared or reposted. While this doesn't always show the exact usernames, it helps you see how many people shared your content. A very important note, Instagram does not always show every repost. If someone downloads your photo or reposts it manually without tagging you, the platform may not notify you. So the easiest reposts to track are story reshares and tagged mentions. And that's it! By checking story reshares, notifications, and insights, you can find out if someone reposted your Instagram post. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more helpful social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Rock it on!